Guys, welcome back to the channel after freaking 10-11 days of not driving my Nissan Z because somebody broke into a shattered window. Rainy days, not a very good combination. It finally arrived. We're gonna go over there to SacCity AutoParts and install my new window on the Nissan Z.
Crazy, man. This brand new car and it already needs a window replacement, bro. Anyways, we taped everything off so water doesn't get in there. We taped off the seals because there's water in there. We still gotta vacuum inside because there's a bunch of glass still inside the panel. Everything is uncovered. I couldn't take off this metal frame. I'm gonna leave it up to SacCity. It's riveted in. You guys can see from this angle there are some rivets right here. You can check there's some rivets, and so this thing is pretty much glued to the door. So I don't know how they're gonna do it, but they're gonna find a way, I'm sure. I also have my SPL camber arms that I need to install. It's way overdue. They said they're down to install it, but I don't even know if I want to install it because after you install something like this mod, anything that you switch with your suspension, whether that's like a control arm, camber arm, whatever, usually you want to get an alignment. And if he installs it right now, I still have to go over to get my window tinted. I still have to go over to the other place to install the rest of my interior. So I'm gonna do quite a bit of driving. I'm not sure if I want to do that on an unaligned rear end. With that being said though, let's grab the keys to the Nissan Z and head over there. Let's see if we can take advantage that it's currently not raining. It's supposed to rain later to take out the Z. I don't want no water in the inside. But anyways, cold start. This car needs to be louder. It needs to be louder. At this point, this Z has more warning lights than my G35. That's insane, right? Because I haven't been driving this thing and I love driving this thing, bro. It's fun. Bro, so much freaking wind noise, bro. Jesus. Alright guys, we're heading inside SacCity AutoParts. This is the first time I come here. You got a whole, this is like Disneyland for Infinitis and Nissans, bro. It's crazy. Damn, you made that look pretty easy, bro. I was struggling for like an hour. Kid you not, really? To take that off. That's pretty sauce.
I just don't want to unplug your
what's that for?
There's an airbag sensor.
Oh, that's the airbag.
So I mean, if I have to unplug it, I can, and then I'll just have to reset it on the computer.
What I was trying to do, I guess, is remove that metal frame from the rails, but he pretty much took the whole assembly out just from here. So he kind of just wiggle it up and bring it all as one, everything as one. Alright guys, we're officially done cleaning the window and the glass. No matter how, he literally cleaned it, picked off the glass, vacuumed it, freaking put an air freaking gun to it, did it like 10 times, and when it closes it still does a little glass jingle. It'll go away over time, I think, but how the fuck did he open the door? Well, it should go away. Check that box out. Window.
Overkill, huh?
Yeah.
Dude, like, why? Look at it.
Okay, yeah, that's hella skinny. I don't know why the box is so thick. No way! That's hella small. I thought it was gonna be way.
No way.
And you've switched 370 windows before?
Yeah.
And based off, you know, knowledge or your previous experience, that is different?
It's basically the same. It's different windows, but I mean the whole concept is the same.
Okay.
You basically unbolt all the 10s out of here to do this, and you don't draw out the rivets because that holds onto the window track. And then there's two 10s right here that are like kind of covered behind a little sticky pad.
Right.
I mean it's the same theory as a 370, but I just don't think the windows are the same.
It's real.
It's real. It's the little things in life.
Yeah, I know. Alright guys, we are officially out of SacCity AutoParts. Shout out to them. We finally have a window. We don't have a door panel, but we're heading over there to install everything, so it's back to OEM. Yes, that was an OEM window.
It's got the Nissan badging and everything, and like you heard before in the thing, it's not a 370Z window, surprisingly.
At the next lights, turn left.
Thanks, Sir. Huge shout out to Mr. Sheldy. Thanks a lot, Sir. Huge shout out to the boy, Mr. Sheldy. This is my first time meeting him, and this guy's like a Tokyo drift guru, bro. Like he does some good stuff. Check out his page for sure. But man, he did one hell of a job. He made that thing look super easy, man. I was struggling. I had blood prints on the damn freaking harness from how hard it was, and he made it look super easy. All right, guys, we're pretty much back at the detail place. He's gonna go ahead and ceramic the window once again because the windows were ceramic coated. So you can see it beats off on the window, and this one is just sticks. All right, guys, we officially put everything back together. The Z is back to normal. Feels pretty good. No glass, maybe a little bit. Can't hear it though, so really good. So now let's go travel to the boys so they can tint this window for the third time, bro. Third time. Guys, it's freaking mad raining. Jesus. I can't believe I'm doing everything in one day. So we installed the window. It wasn't that bad raining. We just finished installing the door panel. Now it's really raining. Now let's head over to Elk Grove, install the tints. I don't even know if it's the best idea, but alright, guys, we back to tint the window for the third time. Alright, guys, we just headed out from Elite Audio and Tint. Huge shout out to the boys, man. They installed this freaking tint 3 times on this window. That's amazing. And we're out, man. If you guys need any tints in the Elk Grove area, any audio stuff, stereos, you name it, bro, Elite Audio and Tint here in Elk Grove, they'll hook you guys up, bro. Trust me, just let them know I sent you. And bro, you're all set. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen, it is the next day. We just came back from driving the G35. Look at our Z is finally back to normal with one window more. Let's go. And already tinted, baby. Already tinted. Huge shout out to the boys at Elite Audio and Tint, man. Always coming in clutch, always doing great work. And they're just the best, man. If you guys need any tint, like I said, in Elk Grove, Sacramento, any area, bro, Elite Audio and Tint, hit them up, bro. They're the, oh, you're so close. Anyways, guys, thank you for joining me in today's episode and that super rainy day. Our Z is back. Thank you to SacCity AutoParts. Thank you to Elite Audio and Tint. And then thank you to Sac Royal Detail for everything on getting the Z back together. I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.